The minute we got the ability to subscribe for the factory tour, we did it. And I saw it was closed very soon, so fully booked. So we're very happy to be here.
I've been here in Trollhättan twice before, and it's an amazing place, but I've never had the opportunity to go through the factory. So I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, it's a wonderful factory. I mean, I think it's a state of the art and looks like science fiction for us.
You see from the beginning to the end how the car is composed.
I repair them, I take them apart. It's exactly the opposite of what happens here. This is the beginning of their life. I see a lot of cars at the end of their life, so it's pretty cool.
We're very glad to be here, that Saab was saved, and this is wonderful experience.